What's up, guys? Today I'm doing a mukbang food. It's the Popeye's chicken, and this time with the rice. Yeah. So I'm just gonna show you the Popeyes that I bought. I bought a 10-piece Popeye's chicken, the spicy one, and here's the magic touch. Filipino rice, yes. And we're gonna eat them with the spoon and fork. And I'm ready for this, mukbang. Let me just fix the camera, guys, so you can guys see me eating. Here we go. I'm so excited. A Filipino guy eating a Popeye's chicken with a rice. Yeah. Alright. My hair's kind of messy, so yeah, don't mind it. So we're gonna put a hot sauce. I'm eating this with the spoon and fork, guys. I'm not gonna use my hand. Interesting. Man, my head is cutting off. My head. Let me further the camera, so hopefully it doesn't fall. Me too. There you go. Let me lift up a little bit. There you go. Shows my head, my full head. Alright, guys. Let's try these Popeye's chicken. Instead of Jollibee, I'm gonna try Popeye's chicken this time with the fork and spoon. This is how you eat the chicken, with the spoon and fork. Alright, first bite. Wow, it's pretty good. Yeah, because I'm always having in Jollibee, and this time I'm gonna try a different Popeye's chicken. Next time I'm gonna try KFC, but their chicken is third place for me. I think I'm gonna try the Popeyes and Jollibee when it comes to their, crispy and the juicy of the chicken. Guys, you should try these. Eating with the rice, it's a winner. Oh man, it's spicy, but I can handle it. Hopefully, you guys get hungry and buy yourself some Popeye's chicken. The taste is, for me, I'm gonna rank it as a 9 out of 10. You don't need to use a lot of hot sauce because it's already spicy when you're eating the chicken. The Thai. This is how Filipino people eat the Thai, without using their hands. This. Oh, my bad. The leg. Yep. You don't need to touch the chicken. Just use fork and spoon. Especially when I mean, of course, we always need to wash our hands before we eat. But I'm just saying that to be more safe, you can use either fork, a spoon, or fork or knife. Just to be safe, you know. Ooh, look at this, guys. The tenderness of the chicken. I mean, I just want to show you guys. It's pretty good. Look at that. Not that oily. I'm getting thirsty now, guys. Got a drink. Oh, that's good. Guys, believe it or not, I'm drinking warm water while eating the chicken because you want to get rid of the oil in your throat, you know, or in your, so it will go down. I mean, I know it's unusual. People rather drink cold water or cold soda. For me, I kind of like warm water, so the digestive system, it will, you know, it will digest the food right away, and I could eat again. It's pretty good. Hopefully you guys enjoy my mukbang video. It's my first time to do a mukbang on my channel, and I'm very happy because I finally did it. Because some other people actually doing mukbang, you know, video all the time, and what I noticed is the amount of, you know, audience. They like it. So for me, I want to share my experience too to you guys. I'm one of the audience, and I'm happy, and also at the same time, I want to share my experience too. Yep. Filipino guy eating Popeye's chicken with the rice. Not just a rice, but Asian rice. I'm almost done with the Thai. By the time I'm gonna end the video. Mm. Oh my hot sauce. It's very good. Oh, alright guys, I'm gonna end the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you think about my Mukbang Filipino, yeah, Popeye's chicken with the rice. Alright, guys. Thank you so much. Peace.